G'day everyone, today we're at the Unoni Bridge stock trading route. We're here to throw a couple of worms in and see what we can get.
Yes. Daddy, I just got my first time ever getting it off a snag.
Woohoo!
Oh, but it took the bait. Can I tip every single rod?
Yep. Let's do it. I'll have the worms ready if we need them.
Okay. You get the worms ready. You look like a square. Your face looks like a square.
You look like a square.
Now you look like an oval. Square, oval, square, oval, square, oval. But can I choose which hook? Well, it doesn't really matter, but I'll just pick one.
Now cast it upriver and as far as you can.
Well, what happens if I get around the tree?
Doesn't matter. Beautiful. That was the best cast I've seen you do.
What? So really?
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 reel. Oh, where are we going? Yeah. You got one?
Yo. Ah! He's on the other line.
That's okay.
He's on the other side of me.
That's okay. He hasn't come up yet. What is he? Oh, he's a Murray cod. Okay, hang on. You just stay up here.
You got him?
Yeah. Whew. This is a hard spot to get. Luckily we brought our net.
First fish, buddy.
Now I would have taken him off in the water down there, but it's not enough safe space without falling down a cliff.
Whoa. Wait a minute, I'll go get the bag mat. He's a big one. I've never seen one like it. Daddy, I want to take a picture with him before he bleeds.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Yeah. Yeah, hold underneath. Put your thumb in their mouth.
He's yucky. What happens if he bites me?
Come on, quick, we've got to be quick.
What happens if he bites me? Does fish have any mouths?
Quick, you got to be quick. Now. Look at me. Oh.
Can I let him go as well?
Nah, Dylan, it's really hard to get down here. Oh. Okay, ready? Here we go. There you go. Oh, well, it wasn't what we're after, but woohoo!
At least we caught something.
Yeah, we didn't measure that one because you just got to get those ones back in the water at the moment. They're in season. They're out of season, sorry.
Can I say it? That's it, folks.
What did we get for the day?
A Murray cod.
We got a Murray cod out of season, so we threw it right back. We didn't measure it, we didn't do anything silly.
Yeah, but I think it's 21 centimeters.
21 centimeters.
101.
It was probably about 35.
I think it's 101.
So we'll see you on the next one.
Yeah, see you on the next one.